All right, that all look okay?
I
Visible?
see it. Looks good.
Okay. So I'm coming here on behalf of the FARR team to talk about data facility needs around AI readiness. For those that aren't familiar, FARR is a Fair and Open Science Research Coordination Network that was funded to look at using FAIR principles to improve machine learning, AI readiness, and AI reproducibility in the community. So as a research coordination network, we're doing a lot of collaboration. We've had workshops and newsletters and presences at varieties of conferences and such. This is the project team. I think most of you have been kicking around this community long enough to recognize some or all of the faces. And as I mentioned, there's right now four main thematic orientations, FAIR and machine learning, AI reproducibility, AI readiness for data, then AI readiness for geosciences repositories. And that's what we're focusing on today. We know that AI brings enormous opportunities for science. If data are AI ready, we can do all kinds of amazing things. This was just one random thing that I grabbed, but we can count penguins from space. I thought that was pretty good. And it also brings opportunities for repositories to do their work, to have different methods of data discovery and ways to extract metadata and reformat data and automatically map to vocabularies and things like that. So we see potential. And there are a certain set of resources that do exist around these things. But then there's the question of how AI ready are geoscience repositories. And we did a poll at the CDF meeting at the last ESIP summer meeting, which most of you were there for, asking how important is AI readiness to your repository? The answer was pretty darn important. That was high ratings. Are you appropriately AI ready? Most disagreed with that. Do you understand what you need to do with respect to AI readiness? Again, pretty low scores there, tending to disagree on average with that. And so we've got, we know that there's a lot of challenges that are coming at data repositories. We're doing this with flat or drastically reducing budgets. We need new ways of thinking, new architectures, etc. So we are working on, the FAR group is working on a roadmap identifying gaps and needs around AI readiness for data repositories. We worked on this at the FAR workshop this April, and we are now going to bring to you for some input on priorities and interests around that. Before we launch the poll, any questions or comments up to now? Okay, I'm going to go out of presenter mode so I can grab this and put it in the chat. Haven't used this platform before. Crossing fingers it works. You will need to put a name in, but if you prefer to be anonymous, you can just, put in Donald Duck or anonymous or whatever you wish. So, what do you see when you do that? Is it asking you questions about priority areas of work? Is it working? You're on mute, Nick.
Seems to be working for me.
Awesome. So I'll take a moment to let folks work through that.
Can you go back to the
Sure.
that's getting my camera
And I
again.
did put the link in the chat, so it should be
Okay.
clickable there as well.
Okay, there. So yeah, good. So I missed that.
I don't quite see what I
I think it's strangely worded, but like you're given choices of two things and which is more important.
Really? Okay. No.
Shouldn't you just go through like both, I would think? I don't know. All right.
So it should be asking, basically it's trying to rank the value of funding, additional funding, guidance, training, exemplars, community coordination and communication, and additional tools and software with their relative importance for AI readiness for data repositories. And I think it should be showing sets of two at a time, and you pick the one that's most important. And then after you go through its whole process, it should have an answer.
It's like an eye exam.
Yeah, which is better, this or this, A or B.
Yeah, I wonder if the title, it says select the card you prefer, maybe what's most important to you, like you said, or something like that might make it.
Yes, that title was not changeable. So like which is more important for AI readiness for data facilities is
Yeah.
how you pick the basis of the picking. Okay, let's see. Have most people had a chance to work on it?
Yeah, I have.
Would anybody like a little more time? No. Okay. So interesting. Okay. People didn't immediately say that money was what they needed most. Looks like
I was a little bit confused on what was going on. So
Yeah, I might have clicked on the worst.
Okay, do you want me? I can clear the results and have you guys do it again if that's not too much of a waste of time. I don't want to have bad results.
Okay, that
Okay.
sounds good.
Yeah.
That sounds like a good idea.
I mean,
So
I think
let me.
it seems just a list where you can put your ranking in a number or something would be more intuitive.
Yeah, it would be. I got stuck out. How do I use? How do I clear out the results?
Maybe you can.
Like one by one.
We could do. I mean, I could do mine again, and you could just delete the earlier one. I don't know.
Yeah, let me give one more chance
All
to. Yeah, apologies for the disruption, but are you able to come back in again and just put your name with a 2 next to it to do it again? Will it let you do that?
I can
Yeah,
try
I think
that.
so.
And if that doesn't work, my next fallback is to just ask you to put in the meeting notes, like how you would rank the 4 things.
Select.
Okay, that worked for me.
Okay.
When I clicked on sign out, it just went back to the starting screen.
Okay. Okay, so we've got Martin and Nick, and 3, 4 is
Kind of hard for me to be anonymous when I'm the only one anonymous.
no, I know. I
It's
will
funny. It's
I will
okay.
promise not to
All right,
you
I'll
know,
change my
crunch
name.
the
I'll
numbers.
put anonymous too, Rob.
No, that's okay. We're already on record. It's recorded.
Okay.
Oh,
So
yeah, you
Christian,
should.
you were able to do
Yeah,
another.
I got it now.
Okay. Okay. I think the others will be easier. This is the only poll that was of this form. So that's kind of high level. And then other than funding, which is kind of self-explanatory, in our various communications with communities, various venues, we have some specific recommendations for each of these. And this is going to be a dot voting approach where we go to the next one. So for tools, I'll put that in the chat. And you'll see a list of tool-related items, tool software related items. Oh, we got to get out of high-level priorities to here. So you should see these cards.
No, I
And
don't. Huh. Still those 4 high-level priorities?
okay, let me put this in the chat again. So can you click the new link?
Okay, so we just pick five of the boxes.
Yeah, so you have 5 dots. You can put all your dots on one box.
Oh,
You can
okay,
put
yeah.
1 dot on 5 boxes, or you can do, 2 here and 3 there.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
as you wish.
Okay.
I needed to log in again. Weird.
And you don't need to put your name. You can just be
Let's see. How do you actually
anonymous
engage the
badger.
dot?
Excuse me?
How do you
So
engage the dot?
you click on the open circle, and then if you want to do 2 there, you can click another one. And if you want to roll back, you can unclick. Does it work the same?
I have a solid dot and a 0 number next to it. And
I keep bringing up a pop-up.
Yeah, I don't seem to be able to.
Do you see? Okay, so first of all, can you see my screen if we go back to Zoom?
Oh, click on the text. I'll try that.
Maybe
No,
I
you
need
want
to
to
enter my
click on
name.
the open circle. Do you have this? Do you see these open circles? So not the closed one with the number next to it, but the open one?
Oh,
Let's see.
yeah. Type
I have
in
to
a
join.
name.
That's the thing.
Yeah, join in the top right corner. That was what unlocked it.
Ah, sorry. Okay. Thank you for your patience as I work through
Oh, yeah.
a new
This is
platform.
interesting.
Okay. I think I have submitted my 5 dots.
Okay. Great. How about other folks? Anyone still working?
I've still got 1 dot.
Sure, go ahead. I
There's a few
don't want
here.
to rush you. Please be thoughtful.
Oh, that's how it goes.
Okay, I know.
You delete a dot. There we go. Okay.
That. Okay. Now I've done it. I
Okay,
think
I'm done.
anybody still working? All right. Our next one will focus on community collaboration and communication. Let me get this into the chat for you. You can grab Square, and that should look like this. Apparently now we have hearts instead of dots, but the concept is the same. You still get your votes, 5 votes available.
Gee, 10 votes?
Well, yes, I think you have 5 votes available.
Oh,
Yeah. That was a copy and paste mistake on my side.
Do you want me to put these links in the notes, Karen, for other people, or you want to control sort of who gets onto this thing?
How about I send out an email with the links, but I would like to put some context around it and
Okay.
also say that if you were part of that, if you've already voted, please don't vote again, that kind of thing. So I
Right. Okay, great.
can manage it.
Karen, this is Matt Marinick. Can you clarify what community benchmarking efforts refers to?
Yeah.
I think that means of the performance of various AI related tools and approaches on data.
Okay. Thank you.
Got mine locked down.
Okay. Like we're making some progress. Maybe give me a thumbs up when you're done. Thank you, Rob. Colin, Martin. Nick.
I'm done as well.
Okay, great.
Yay, sorry.
Thank you. Okay, just one more. We're almost done.
My
This
thumb
is
seems to be
around,
stuck.
I'm sorry?
Oh, my thumb seems to be stuck. I had the thumbs up the whole time.
You're
like,
just such a
yeah.
positive person.
Yeah. Hey, my thumb's right here.
It's all good. Okay, so this last one will go into the chat. And you should see questions around community, excuse me, not community, around guidance and training and how-tos and things like that. You do get 10 points, 10 votes, 10 dots on this one because there are more options. And I'll give you a couple of minutes to work through it because there is quite a bit there. And I will stop sharing at this point. The only remaining thing I had was contact information. And if you haven't been to the FARR website, they do have a section that has resources. So it's pointers to publications and standards and things like that. So if you're interested, you might have a look there.